Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Gladiator Willys in bright white with Willys hood decal, Willys suspension, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Black Freedom top 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Command Track part-time 4-wheel drive system, remote start, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7936.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.